How to fix lag in your Black Ops 6 game here on your account on your Call of Duty. For this, what you have to do is mainly if you're playing the game or if you are on the website, so you simply have to cross and close all tabs of your website from, and then you have to simply click on this option called Wi-Fi and recheck your network connection that if you're connected with a strong Wi-Fi network connection or not. If not, please change your Wi-Fi network connection or be connected to a better connection strength that can give you more range. Now, here is the option on the left top of the screen that is a start button. Then click on this start or shut down option. From here, you simply have to restart your PC right now, and after the same you will be able to see that you're not facing any type of error like this and you're all available to play the game. This is how you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.